Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and this is your daily update for Bitcoin today. This is the English update. We will check what's going on with Bitcoin. I showed you yesterday in German the word to the Sunday. We spoke about Bitcoin. We spoke about the possibility that we will go down to 10,000 US dollars as it's possible. Please watch the video from yesterday. It's really important. Now we will check on Monday what's going on today with Bitcoin. Let's start this analysis now. So here's the quick overview from CoinMarketCap. What's going on with Bitcoin? We are going down. We are going down. 2% minus in 24 hours and 12% in the week. Really hard. Nearly 12% for Ethereum in 7 days and 1.14% on 24 hours. And the market is bleeding. You can see every coin here is going down. Terra Luna up a little bit, but most coins are going down. Shiba Inu 0.16% in the plus, but in the week 16% in a minus. And if you're scrolling down, you can see everything is going down. Not good, guys. We have here extreme fear in the market, 25 points. Fear, you can see it here. And what is telling us the price prediction? It's also not the best thing, guys. I know the price prediction is not a 100% nice thing to watch, but guys, it's important for us because we can see the Bitcoin price prediction is telling us, yes, we may go down more and more. It's now a bad time to buy Bitcoin. They are telling us this one. We are bearish with 23% and we are bearish with 70% and bullish only with 23%. And we have here the next stuff. Look at this. Everything is telling us here, yes, we're going down 34,000 maybe soon. So this is telling us Coin Codex. What is telling us Dr. Ross? Greetings to Dr. Ross. And he's telling us, okay, guys, we are now on the 37,000 support. We are really near about this support. So guys, let's watch 37,000. That's also the bottom of the Bollinger Band. You can see it here. That's also this support line. So this is maybe a nice, good support. And he's telling us Bitcoin has experienced good growth on the last 2 weeks, talking back all its past profits from its investors in just 4 to 5 days. Yes, we went down really hard. Currently, the 38,800 minus support has been lost. Yes, that's true, Dr. Ross. And Bitcoin is now close to the 37,000 channel and its volume has not increased significantly. 37,000 is good support for it. And yes, I think so too. 37,000 is a really nice support. We need to watch this, guys. The next thing is this one here from Atlas Traders, and he's telling us, okay, 36,500 is his target for going down so hard here. For the moment, we saw a big resistance zone here, and he is telling us, yes, big resistance, and from this point, we went down to 36,500. That's the next support level we need to watch. Okay, that's also a next nice stuff. What is telling us Bitcoin dominance? And this is telling us, guys, we lost our nice uptrend. We went down. I told you guys, attention, we have a big problem on 43.7%. Here's the next Fibonacci line. And we saw no hit on this line and we went down here and we went down more and more and more. So, okay, if we're zooming out a little bit, that's the 1 hour time frame. Let's check the 4 hour dominance. You can see a big downtrend. We saw a little breakout of this downtrend here, a little breakout, and we lost now this uptrend also. Okay, let's check this one here. No, let's check this one here. This is the actual chart picture from yesterday, guys. I told you attention. Don't forget, maybe shoulder head shoulder. That's the line chart. And in my opinion, we need to watch this line here on the downside. That's 35,000 maybe, or 34,700 maybe, because here is a good support. We can see it better if you are drawing the line, not the line chart, if you're watching the candlestick chart, because you can see this line here on the downside, this one here is a big support, and depends always where we can hit the line 34,400, something about this is a next great support. We are still in a nice parallel channel to the upside, guys. You can see it here on the parallel channel. If we are watching this one, we have here a really nice parallel channel to the upside. Everything is okay. As long as we can hold this channel, everything is okay, but we need to hold this channel here, this parallel channel to the upside. And you can see here's a little bit space to the downside, guys. It's possible to go down here more and more and more. In my opinion, we need to watch one thing, that's this point. This was the lowest low for the moment, 32,800, this spike here to the downside. We need to stay over this one to make not a lower low, to make higher lows, and that's important for the moment. We are making higher highs. Here was a high, here was a high. We are making higher lows because you can see here was one, and here was one, and we need the next candle also over 33,000. That's the next big thing if you are watching the bigger time frame. Now let's go directly into the action. This is the 50-minute time frame. What's going on here? Let's check this one here. Okay, first of all, we have here this parallel channel. That's a big downgoing channel. I don't know where is the bottom. It's maybe like this or like this, but for the moment we're going down like this one here, a bad parallel channel. The next one what we can make is a line from here, from this point. Yes, that's the big question. That's the big question. Let me check this one. No, it's not, also not working. Let me check this one. It's also not working really good. But guys, it's not so important. That's a big resistance line, a big fat resistance line. Even if we can go up from here, even if we can see a buy volume here on the moment, we are buying a little bottom. If we can go up from here to here, we have here the next big thing to watch. And this is, depends always where we will hit it. 38,900, maybe that's the next big resistance line. We need to fight back this resistance line to the downside. If we are checking, let me check one thing. This one is maybe a nice M pattern. It's possible to go down back to this point here, maybe about 36,300. That's also a big stuff because here we saw the start of the M pattern, and from here to here we have a nice support zone to the downside, guys. It's possible to go down to the start point of the M pattern, and this is, in my opinion, 36,000, a really big support here. So okay, that's the stuff. Let's check the indicators. What's going on with relative strength index? Here we are. We are completely oversold. You can see it. We are so low at the moment. We are completely oversold. Let's watch the 1 hour time frame. And yes, you can see it also here. Here we saw an oversold RSI, and now we are here. We are a little bit oversold here on the 1 hour time frame. The big question is, can we move on to the upside from here? Yes or no? We can make a line here. That's a resistance line. You have a lot of space to the upside. Possible to see a nice next move to the upside. We need to watch it because the RSI is really low at the moment on the 1 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, what can we see? Oversold. Yes, we see an oversold RSI, and we have here a nice support line. This is a support line, and we need to stay over this one. We have a resistance line, and that's this one. It's a triangle, and we have a lot of space to the upside, not so much to the downside. I hope maybe we can go down to 36,000 after this, and next big leg to the upside. It's possible if we are watching the RSI here, guys. On the daily time frame, we have to watch this one. That's the big resistance line here coming from the upside to the downside, and here we have no support at the moment. So interesting where this point will end for the RSI. It's really interesting. Everything is possible. I would like to show you one thing, guys. Let's remove everything. Let's remove the drawings. Let's go out a little bit, because we saw yesterday the weekly close candle. Let's check this one. So this is the picture, the weekly time frame. Every candle here is 1 week, and what can we see, guys? First of all, we see this one here. We saw here this red trend line, and we broke it with this candle to the upside. We saw confirmed closing candles, but we saw big wicks to the upside, guys. You know it. I hate big wicks to the upside because they're telling us we are going down. And yes, this happened. First of all, wicks, big wicks to the downside. What happened? We went up. Big wicks to the upside. What happened? We went down. So we need, and that's now really important, we need now to stay over this point, because this was the lowest low for the moment. And we need to stay over this point if we are watching the weekly time frame. We need to stay over 32,900. Let me tell you, 33,000. We need to stay over 33,000. We saw a nice breakout, but we went down again here. And let me check the MA20. What's going on with the moving average? And this is the MA9. We will check the MA20. So this one, always the same. This one is the MA20. It's so high. The MA20, our big resistance, is here on the price about 49,000. It's not so important to watch for us. Okay, MA20 on the weekly is not so important, but on the monthly, I told you this on a video for about a few days. Let's watch, guys. We need a confirmed closing candle over the MA20. Here is the MA20, and I told you guys, watch this point, watch 36,800, because here is the MA20 on the monthly time frame, and you can see we have 7 days to close this candle. I hope we can close it over the MA20. But guys, what's frightening me? Yes, you are right. This big wick to the upside is frightening me a lot. And I tell you on every video what I am ending, on every day what I'm showing you this one. I show you this one, guys. Remember, it's also possible. It's still possible to see this one. It's a really bad picture, I know it, guys, but it is possible to see something like this one. And guys, remember, we have here a bad target to the downside, 10,000, 12,000, 11,000. It doesn't matter. It's a really bad target if it will go down so hard. But yes, we have here nice support to the upside, and we need to stay over this support. Last but not least, let me show you a really fast Fibonacci. That's this one. And what can we see if we are zooming in for the moment? And that's really, really important. We are now on a really, really important place. And this is this point here. This is a 0.786 Fibonacci, 37,700. For the moment, on the day, we are under this important Fibonacci line. We need to fight back 37,000. We need a confirmed closing candle over 37,800. If we will see a confirmed closing candle under this, it's maybe the sign for more downgoing power, guys, and that's not nice for the moment. So that's the short update for the day. That's the Bitcoin update, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice time. Thanks for your support. I love you guys. Yours, Biti, your Bitcoin trading info man. Very important. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. Bye, guys. System activated.